Hi, my name's Dale Logan, I'm 28 years old and I'm a second year electrical maintenance technician. I'm currently at college at the Aberdeen Altons campus and I'm doing my 21 months of training. During this 21 months we have been hands-on for 2 days a week, and the rest of the week we do 3 days of college, gaining our NC and HNC in electrical engineering. Our instructors are ex-industry professionals who have many years of offshore experience. The instructors have given us a good understanding of what life will be like offshore and which tasks we'll be undertaking when we're there. A piece of advice that I'd give to any applicant that makes it through to the interview stage is to make sure that when you are going for the interview that you have went over as many questions as possible that you think you may be asked. I myself went to my dad and we wrote out maybe 20 questions that we could have been asked, and we've done mock interviews and it made me prepared for the interview stage. I'm currently living away from home in Aberdeen. I live with 4 other guys that are in my discipline, and I know that sometimes it can be hard living away from home, but you've always got everybody who's there in your flat or on the course to speak to help you, and also you have got people who are always there to listen if you need someone to speak to, and they have got a very good network if you are feeling homesick. Also, I am looking forward to getting onto the work site with my sponsor company and learning on the job. My aspirations for the future are to get as much learning as I can in the next few months of college before going offshore. I then look to get qualified within the 2 years, and then hopefully work in the industry for many years to come.